Hey, my name is Chanel and welcome to the Caffe Umbria Training Lab. Today we are going to be going through how to backflush and clean your espresso machine so that your coffee tastes great and your equipment stays in top shape for years to come. Before we begin, gather the following: espresso machine cleaning powder, a group head brush, a blind basket, dairy cleaning solution, and a milk pitcher. To backflush the group heads, start by inserting your blind basket into the portafilter. Add 1 teaspoon of cleaning powder. Lock the portafilter into the group head. Then run the group head for 10 seconds. You're then going to turn it off and let it rest for 10 seconds without removing the portafilter. Repeat this 5 times. After the final cycle, remove the portafilter. Rinse both the portafilter and the group head until the water runs clear. Go ahead and use a brush to remove any remaining coffee grounds stuck up inside the group head. Repeat the backflushing process only using water. Go ahead and rebuild your portafilter with the regular basket. Lock it into the group head and give it a final rinse all together. Next up, we'll clean your portafilters. Go ahead and add about 1 tablespoon of cleaning powder into the container of hot water. Make sure to submerge only the metal portions of the portafilter and not the handles. Let soak for about 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. At the same time you are cleaning your group heads, you can also tackle cleaning the steam wands. Fill a pitcher with hot water and about 30 milliliters of dairy cleaner. Purge the steam wand briefly. Go ahead and place the wand into the solution. Turn it on and off fully, 3 to 4 times. Let that soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's done soaking, discard the cleaning solution. Refill the pitcher with clean water. And then place the steam wand back into the pitcher and purge a few times to rinse. Lastly, remove your pitcher and wipe off. For best results, clean your espresso machine and steam wands daily. We strongly recommend using the PuroCraft line of cleaning products, which can be ordered in your usual coffee order. Consistent cleaning is key to ensuring great tasting coffee and long-lasting equipment. Thank you.